Combining your bar soap and your body wash is another method to use in order to lighten your skin.
Are you the type that does not like using body lotions on your skin, yet you want to achieve a lighter complexion? You want to lighten your skin? Don't worry, on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you methods on how you can achieve a lighter skin tone, on how you can lighten your skin using just your bar soap and your body wash. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, please stick around with me, of course. Get your popcorn and keep watching.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl here in this series, and if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so very much for joining the community. I do not take that for granted. Yeah, on this space we do everything beauty, everything skincare. So guys, if you haven't subscribed and you're seeing me right now and you're watching my video right now, please hit on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. Guys, on today's video, we're going to be talking about on how you can use your bar soap and your body wash together to lighten your skin without the use of your body lotion. I believe that a whole lot of people want to lighten their skin, but then they don't usually have that time or the patience to apply body creams or body lotions on their skin. So this is another method you can use to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to maintain your skin tone, to maintain your skin complexion. But yeah, there is a procedure to that. So if you want to achieve a brighter, radiant, and a healthy glow without the use of a body lotion, of course, like and subscribe. So before we dive into the topic of today, if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Like, if you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. Not just that, turn on the post notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you will always be the first person to get notified by YouTube. I know the first question on your mind now, or you'll be asking yourself, is can I actually make use of bar soap and body wash together? Like, how? Girl, the answer is yes. You can make use of your body wash and your bar soap the same time, at the same skincare routine, at the same spots, to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, and to glow your skin. And this method is what we call double cleansing. Yes, here is why do I need double cleansing? Why do I need to double cleanse my skin? Why do I need a bar soap and a body wash together? The reason is simple. It's going to help to deep cleanse your skin. 2, it's going to help to balance your skin pH. 3, it's going to help to tackle your skin conditions like hyperpigmentations. It's going to help to tackle your skin discolorations, blemishes, and a whole lot. So double cleansing your skin is very, very vital. It's very, very important. So now let's talk about the difference between the bar soap and body wash. You need to understand that the bar soap and body wash, they are formulated differently, but then they have the same purpose, and the purpose is to break down oils from the skin, remove dirt and debris accumulated on your skin. But most times body wash is more of moisturizing and hydrating because they contain ingredients that help to moisturize and hydrate the most times after using body wash, your skin tends to feel kind of cold and smooth, like it's going to feel kind of shooting, right? It helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. You really want to lighten your skin or brighten your skin with the use of your body wash and your bar soap. There are some steps you need to follow, like it has a procedure on how to do this to achieve a positive outcome, to achieve a positive result. So you're going to be looking out for products that contain these safe lightening ingredients such as the kojic acid, the glutathione, the papaya extract, the licorice extract, the goat milk, and the alpha arbutin. So all these ingredients I just listed now are safe lightening ingredients. The first step is to choose the right product. In choosing the right product, like choosing the right bar soap, in choosing the right body wash, and in choosing the right body wash and the right bar soap, you need to look out for products that is going to lighten your skin, that is going to do the job without harming your skin, without causing harm or irritations on your skin. So in combining this combo, in using these two combo to lighten your skin, there is trick to it. So what do I mean? In lightening your skin with your body wash and your bar soap, it's either you use a lightening bar soap and a moisturizing body wash, or you use a lightening body wash and a moisturizing bar soap. So you dare not use lighting. It has to be lighting and moisturizing, or moisturizing and lighting. So this is one of the mistakes a lot of people do make. So if you should pair it this way, you are definitely going to have a healthy, lighter complexion at the end of the day, without your skin looking bleached, without your skin looking irritating, or without, like, you're going to have a very healthy and attractive, rich skin tone. One mistake a whole lot of people do is that they go ahead to use 2 to 3 different lightening products at the same time. Like, girl, you are predisposing yourself to skin damage, because there's no how you're gonna be using lighting, like like 3 different lighting products, and you expect it to work on your skin. There must be a fight, and at the end of the day, none of those products is gonna work. If there is a fight, this one will be trying to work on your skin, this one will be trying to work on your skin, the other one will be trying to work on your skin. At the end of the day, it will lead to skin damage. You're going to be exposing your skin to skin damage. It might not lead to what we call hyperpigmentations and skin discoloration. So, girl, you don't need to, if you want to pair your lighting body lotion or your bar soap and your body wash, like, it needs to be balanced. High usage of lightening products, too much usage of lightening product, it will expose your skin to skin damage. Too much of using 2 to 3 different lightening products in the same skin, you're predisposing yourself to hyperpigmentation. Like, your skin need moisture. It needs moisture to be able to absorb, so that whatsoever skin product you're using is going to work. Like, your skin needs moisture to function for proper absorption, so that whatsoever skin product you're using, whatsoever bar soap or lightening bar soap you're using, is going to work perfectly to give you that lighter shade you deserve, without any form of blemishes, without any form of skin irritation or skin damage, right? So I'm going to be explaining now on how I use 2 soaps to lighten my skin, and how you can as well use 2 soaps to lighten your skin. So this is a body wash I make use of. A whole lot of you should know me with this already, because I've been making use of this body wash since last year, and I recently repurchased this again. The reason why I love this body wash is that it brightens the skin, and I love the fragrance. Yes. So this is what I use. Make use of this body wash and this bar soap. This is the 4-in-1 Kojic White Gluta Papaya. This is a moisturizer. This will moisturize your skin and exfoliate your skin, because this is the St. Ives Pink Lemon Mandarin um moisturizing body wash. Why this is the bar soap? This is the 4-in-1 Kojic White Gluta Papaya. This is a lightening bar soap. Like, this soap is very, very effective. When I mean it is very, very effective. At times, if I run out of this, or if I can't get this within my area here, I go in with this. This is always my second option, like my second lightening bar soap. So if I can't find this, I always go for this. The Ashanti Papaya bar soap is very, very good. Like, it is one of the amazing things I love about this particular soap is the fact that it contains kojic acid, it contains glutathione, it contains arbutin, and it also contains vitamin C and vitamin E, which comes from the papaya extract. So this soap alone, even without the use of body wash, it will still lighten your skin. It will still brighten your skin. It will still give you that rich, glowing, amazing, beautiful skin you desire, just with this alone. So this soap has always been my go-to. Whenever I notice that my skin is kind of getting dark, I go in with this body soap. with this bar soap, or if this one is not readily available, I go in with my Ashanti papaya bar soap. These two soaps are very good. Like pairing your body wash and your bar soap is something that is going to help to glow your skin. Like it's going to help to lighten your skin, give you an amazing, beautiful, glowing skin. So you might decide to try this my own method, although this is what I use. I use this and this, but I'm gonna be showing you guys some other more stronger lightening products you can incorporate into your skincare if you can't afford this, because currently this is sold at the rate of 7,000 naira. So there are still milder affordable body wash you can incorporate into your skincare routine with your bar soap that will still do that same work. I'm going to be showing you some other body wash and bar soap you can combine together, incorporate it into your skincare routine to give you that beautiful, glowing, lighter complexion. So the first on my list here is you can combine this Frusa body cream. Here is it. You can combine this with this, or you can combine this, the Frusa body cream, with this, with the Ashanti. So this particular body wash is going to help to hydrate and nourish your skin, and it also contains a lightening ingredient in it, although in a minute quantity. So this particular body wash is also going to help to brighten your skin a bit, but then you're going to be needing a bar soap, like a lightening bar soap. This is going to moisturize your skin, while this is going to brighten and lighten your skin. So using these two combo is going to help to give you that healthy, glowing, lighter skin tone. So the second on my list here is you can use this Dove Calming body wash together with the Ashanti papaya bar soap. So you using these two combo is going to help to lighten and nourish your skin. Like it's going to give you a rich, glowing, lighter complexion. Particular soap, like on its own, it lightens the skin. So this body wash is a moisturizing body wash, so it's going to help to nourish and hydrate your skin, while this particular one, which is the tablet, the bar soap, is going to help to lighten and exfoliate your skin. So this is a nice combo you can try out, you can use together to lighten your skin. And this two combo is going to help to get rid of your blemishes on your skin. So the next soap you can actually combine to give you that healthy, lighter complexion is this particular one, the Healthy Glow Shower Gel. Actually, this body wash comes in a gel form. Remember I said that body wash comes in either liquid form or in a gel-like form. So this particular one now, the Healthy Glow Shower Gel, comes in a gel-like form. So you can combine this and this. You can combine this with the Dove Original. This is a tablet soap. This comes in a solid form. So you can actually combine this. This Healthy Glow Shower Gel is going to help to lighten your skin, while the Dove bar soap is going to help to moisturize your skin. With that being said, this two combo is going to help to glow and lighten your skin. So the next thing now is I'm going to be explaining on how you can make use of these two combo to give you that sweet, positive result you desire. How do you combine these products? How do you combine your body wash and your body soap to lighten your skin? Like, what is the procedure involved? First of all, if you're making use of your bar soap and your step, you need to go in with your lightening product first. Let's take for instance, I am pairing this, my St. Ives moisturizing body wash, with this 4-in-1 Kojic white glitter papaya. That I'm combining this to this, right? So the process or the procedure on how I use this is that I first of all go in with my lightening product first. You need to go in with the lightening product first before using this. Sponge yourself with this, with your lightening bar soap, then allow it to penetrate right into your skin for like maybe 3 to 4 minutes, or even 5 minutes if it's possible. Allow it to work on your skin for like some minutes. Clean your skin. After cleansing, you then use your moisturizing body wash. So what I'm trying to say in essence is this: you have to go in with your lightening bar soap, or your lightening shower gel or your lightening body wash first. Allow it to penetrate right into the pores of your skin for like some time, for some minutes, then clean. After cleansing, you then go in with your moisturizing body wash or your moisturizing shower gel or your moisturizing bar soap. The aim of using your lightening product first is to allow the ingredients in it to penetrate right into the pores of your skin and then go ahead to do the job. And remember, this is what we call double cleansing. And double cleansing, I usually prefer double cleansing only at night. You know why? Because at night, your skin or your body tends to be at rest. So whatever product you're using is going to work. You won't like a situation whereby after double cleansing in the morning, like after double cleansing with your bar soap and your body wash, your lightening product and your moisturizing product, after doing that, you go back and you go ahead and walk under the sun. You know, you're predisposing yourself to hyperpigmentation. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. Like, just do it now. Subscribe to the channel. I've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful, please do where to give it a huge thumbs up and of course like.
Not just that, subscribe and share this video. Like, do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips. Subscribe. And if you have any questions to ask, please drop it down on the comment section. I'll be right there to reply all of you. I'll see you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.